evening to you, well, afternoon actually. Another different kind of style video for you all. A bit loud. Another different sort of style video, or well, I want to say an attempt. Again, I'm trying to not just always constant crown stuff, even though I've not actually got that much going on with the crown at the moment. I do want to try different things to do on the channel. So I've been very lucky enough. I'm a good friend with a JZX110, and he works quite a lot of the time, so today actually we arranged, do you know what, let's go for it. So I'm heading down to his. We're going to be doing a review of his JZX110.
So 2022 October, this was my 25th birthday present to myself.
Yep.
So yeah, bought it off the first UK owner, imported in 2018, so he was the only guy that had it before me.
Oh shit, so it's only been in the country, what, that's 5 years?
Yeah.
Yeah? Fucking hell.
So it's 184,000 kilometres, so maybe 110,000
About 110,
miles,
yeah, 110,000 miles. That's pretty good.
Not bad for the age, yeah. We got the G Corporation floor mats for the 110. Weld heatsink cover for the engine, full 3-inch exhaust with a single back box. Apart from that, it's the genuine roof spoiler and genuine boot lip spoiler.
Oh, nice.
They're off, yeah, the boot lip spoiler's off a special and the roof is a genuine Toyota option. These are a lot rarer than the Mark IIs and Chasers.
Yeah.
So if you have a look, they made 1,100 turbo Verossas, which compares to, like, I don't know, it's something mental, like 15,000 X100 chassis, probably more.
Christ.
And there was only 130 something in black and 40 something in were manual. So it's like 1 of 40 black manual, which is
pretty damn rare.
Yeah. And then full Type B factory aero as well.
Nice. So what about the wheels? What are you going to do with the wheels?
So yeah, wheels, they're date stamped 2003, so they're Vogue GTC 2-piece. Yeah, still in two minds as to what to do with them. I'm thinking of getting a temporary set while I get these off and get them refurbed properly. Undecided on what colour, whether to keep the chrome or gold centres maybe.
Nice.
Done, or were with the car, so we've got a Blitz intercooler, Grady Rad, HKS mushroom filter, which everyone runs on 1Js, does what it says on the tin.
Mm. I think that, wow, pretty much sums it up.
Go on and give us a
Well, it's not heavy, it's weird, no? I don't know when it was chips. It is recording, isn't it? Yeah, now I've properly done the firewall on my clutch pedal. It's really fucking high up, and there's so much travel, it's so heavy. Like, this feels weird, this clutch. Feels great though. Left or right?
Straight. Straight,
okay.
yeah.
Banging. Oh. Can't believe you got these many kilometres on it and it's still tight. Like, steering, everything's just tight still. It's nice. So, after having a review of Josh, obviously he's been kind enough to let me drive it. The microphone's not going to be great, it's going to have the other microphone in the boot for the extra so I don't know how well it's going to turn out. Even though the 110's similar to the 171 chassis, in the fact of wheelbase and everything is the same length, it feels like a completely different car. And as I've just been talking to Josh, is all the suspension's been done, all the bushes and everything's been done to it, and it feels extremely tight. Yeah, extremely tight in that sort of sense, like handling wise. No knocks, no nothing. It's gorgeous. What makes it better actually, is, to be honest, is the factory manual. I know my Crown's got the BMW box, it's rattly, it's bulletproof, but the factory manual is nice, I can't deny that, and the factory clutch, it just works. Just put down, what's that, third gear, yeah? And it's, again, as he said, it's stock power. Oh, there's a runner up there. Stock power, but it's nice. You don't need any more than what the 300 brake it is. Like 290, aren't they?
Yeah, so 280 PS from factory. Dynograph a couple of years ago.
Oh, nice. 'Cause yeah, it's they always say 280, 290, but sometimes they do hit 300. So I think the best rule of thumb is really 300. Well, whether Josh wants to go for a bigger turbo or a hybrid, something up the boost a bit, I think he should.
I can dream.
Because obviously the stock turbo will go at some point. When it will go, I don't know. Oh, I know where we are. Banging. It will need doing at some point. Whether it'll be a hybrid core or a big single or a big top mount or something, or bottom mount even. But it's lovely. There's nothing really I can say about it, to be honest. Almost in the sense it's perfect, and to really fuck around with it, need another one so you can fuck with that one and then not ruin this one.
Yeah, I mean, the way it is now is really balanced.
It is, it's
enough
lovely.
power, the handles okay, you can take it on a long journey, like I've done 600 mile round trip, no problem.
And it's comfortable, it's
It
quiet.
literally does everything. I mean, yeah, it's not great on fuel, but that doesn't bother me. It's not that kind of car.
It's something you hop in every day, regardless of fuel consumption. You will enjoy it, whether you're in a shit mood on the way to work or on a fucking 3-hour drive up north somewhere. Even just cruising, you will sit in it, you'll relax, you'll love it. It's a place of happiness, put it that way. It really is. So yeah, I think just enjoy the noises, and I think that pretty much wraps it up. We were going to have an idea of doing some nice rolling shots, overtakes and stuff, or hang out the back of another car, funnily enough, but I think that's going to be probably another day sort of thing, whether that'll be all-day vlog and we do all kinds of different cars or something and a load of us are together, I don't know, but it's something I definitely want to do, considering some banging idea. So yeah, I'm going to finish it off really here, like and subscribe, and just enjoy the final lot of JZ noises as we go through the New Forest. Helicopter. I have to. I was thinking, go up this way, turn that little right, and then just above those roundabouts there. It's nice for the fact of sometimes, that's why I want an electronic boost controller back, is second gear, pull away, it didn't wheel spin. Even though the traction comes off, it didn't wheel spin. Like mine, on the way to yours, I put my foot down, yeah, third gear just spins up, I'm like, great.
Yours has got a lot more power though.
It's a lot torquey and a lot more powerful, yeah.
Your tyres, I guess, have got they're 17s, aren't they, or wheels, so
Yeah.
maybe the bigger sidewalls, squishy, like it takes more time to press into the ground.
Yeah.